Hey guys, so this is a continuation of a previous tutorial where we rigged the leg for this Minotaur creature. Now we're gonna clean it up and rig the other leg. Enjoy. And this is how we can rig the leg. Now one more thing I want to do is add like a pole vector here. So I'm just gonna create a locator. And that locator, I'm gonna move it forward. And hopefully, because how the joint is orientated, I'll move it forward on that plane that I was talking about. If I don't, when I add this pole vector, the thing's gonna snap. So I'm gonna zero it out so it's also kind of facing straight forward. Let's add a scale to it, local scale, so it's displaying bigger. Make it red as well. And let's see what happens when we grab this and our IK. Maybe let's add a color to IK, by the way. It'll help to see it. See what I mean? What happens when I grab this and my IK, and when I add a pole vector? Constraint pole vector. Is it moving? That's the question. It is moving, and it's not pretty at all. It's actually moving 180. So there's a few things I want to try here. First of all, and I think this is a safe bet, I'm just going to make a plane again because I want to make sure that it's not moving, or even if it's moving, I want it to move only 180. So we can do this. Rotate it -90. And we're going to end up with something like this, but here I just want to make sure that I have just one subdivision. And then again, I just want to do something like this, where all my stuff is on that plane. You know what I mean? Like something like this. So maybe just a big triangle like that. And then I'm going to grab the edge of this triangle and extrude it. Mesh extrude, shift right click, extrude edge. Now this is going to extrude along that plane. So my locator for my success, it has to be on that. But I don't have anywhere to snap now. So if I were to succeed in this, I need to make sure that I have enough subdivisions. So I would say modeling mesh smooth. And I need more subdivisions, 2, how about 4? There you go. So now if I snap to any of those points on that plane, I can be sure that it's not moving. Okay, we can hide this. Maybe we'll need it. And now if I create that pole vector, so let's name it left knee control and also space it here. Now if I create that pole vector, it's gonna rotate 180 of course, but constraint pole vector. Yeah, see, like it's rotating 180, but in my spring solver, I have an option here somewhere. Offset, try that, 180. No, that's not it. Roll 180. No, god damn it. This one? Yeah, there it is. So now I can control that knee with the movement of my pole vector. And so like if you want to keep it simple and easy and don't avoid that, what you can do is you can just kind of parent this under your foot control for now. So you can do this. And then when you move your foot control, but you need to put it under the curve there, like that. Then when you move your foot control, you know, you're going to have a nice little animation there. So that's perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. So that's how we can rig those legs. I I'd say let's just do another leg on the other side and call it for this tutorial because it's getting long. So I'm just going to save this, Ctrl+S, so we don't lose all our work. Let's go create another one. So create IK handle, spring solver from here to here. And so we have, that's going to be our right leg IK. And if we want to mirror the behavior of the other one, we need to basically do that. So here that value, let's just make it 0.3 to kind of round it. And then on this one, we can also do that. 0.3 here. This one minimal, this one maximum, and all of them linear. And that way, we can control how this behaves. So now we need to kind of create those controls on the other side, but because we already have them here, it's going to be pretty easy. All we have to do is just duplicate it, Control D. Then I'd say just move it forward, snap it there. And then with our comet tools that we installed, we need to enable them first. Comet rename, rename left to right. Boom. Rename this. And now I say, let's just mirror it negatively, like this. And then freeze that scale on it. And now basically all we have to do is grab this and this, constraint orient with offset, and grab this and the right leg IK, constraint point. And now we can grab this and our right leg IK and do constraint pole vector. Now that's going to flip upside down, inside out. But here we just do the twist 180 and we're good. So let's see how that works. And it works the same on both sides, which is exactly what I want. So that's really nice. So that's how you can rig those Minotaur legs, my friend. Now, one more thing I want to do here, because it's really hard to see that IK handle, assign a color to it. So with this tool here, just use that. And there we go. So we did quite a bit in this little tutorial. It's a good start for this creature. We sorted out the hardest part. Now I'd say we just need to rig the spine. That's going to be something. We can rig the spine and head in the next one. He doesn't really have a neck bone in the middle here. That's a bit sketchy, but maybe it's enough for that game. That's going to look great, but well. Then I feel like the hands, we should just do an FK. And the tail, yeah, we should keep it simple as well. Actually, wait, oh no. We don't have tail bones here. Okay, we have some work to do, but this tutorial is coming to an end. I'll see you in the next one. So to learn other techniques and really go step by step, check out my paid course, Building Quadruped Creature for Games. And for more information, just go to my website and under tutorial section, you will see it there. Basically, it's all on Patreon as well, so feel free to just follow me and subscribe and join my membership. Thanks.